Blood, certain man out here really do waste the golden opportunity that they have. It's kind of like the sort of mentality, work smart, not work hard. I don't agree with that. I've made videos about it before in the past. I remember one time I was watching one of Andrew Tate's podcasts. Big up man like Andrew Tate. And he was saying women, they will find a way to make £1,000 in one day and say to themselves, okay, all I need to do is work 3 days a month and I'm good. Men, they'll say, okay, I can earn £1,000 in a day. So then I will work 25 days or 30 days so I can earn 25 or 30 grand for the month. So anyway, went to a guy's house today and we're just chatting and whatever. And he told me he was a plumber. So I'm like, oh, okay, cool. He was like, yeah, I literally work 12 hours a week and I take home £1,000 a week. Yeah, imagine a man's working 12 hours a week, not a day, 12 hours a week, and he takes home £1,000 a week. So £4,000 a month, literally just doing, 48, 50 hours a month. And I was thinking to myself, so basically what he does emergency call outs and that. And he probably just charges £200 for the emergency call out, and obviously £200 times 5 is 1,000, and that's his £1,000 for the week. Probably a little bit more because it's after tax, whatever. And I was just thinking to myself, obviously you're not gonna be able to do a straight 8 hours or whatever in it, because obviously you got to drive to and from jobs, whatever in it. But I was thinking to myself, you have the golden opportunity to earn potentially £800 a day, £1,000 a day, whatever. But instead, you decide to only work 1 hour, 2 hours a day and earn £200 and go home, not work on any big plans to take over the universe, but decide to. This guy he had like some special sort of paper where he can practice doing tattooing. And I was thinking to myself, now I don't know what he does on a regular day, innit? Yeah, but more than likely, this guy is not working on no big plans to take over the universe. And I told him, like, why don't you buy this property or buy a property and that? He just, oh my God, I don't know what answer he gave. Probably shook his head or something like that, whatever. And I was thinking to myself, fam, you're wasting the golden opportunity of being able to earn 500 to 800 pound a day, and you decide, you know what? I'd rather work 1 or 2 hours a day and sit at home and do jack shit, fuck all. I think to myself, blood, these people, man, these men are on a joke thing, blood. If that was me, if I knew a way to earn £200 from a job or whatever, blood, I would make sure I'm doing 4 or 5 of them a day. 4 or 5 of them a day. I'll be raking it into blood clot. The amount of more properties I would have. Jolting, blood. Literally, it's like what I said in some of my videos before. There's certain people, they will find out a way to, instead of doing 12 hours a day, do 4 hours a day. So get 12 hours work done in the space of 4 hours and go home. No. If I found a way where I could get 12 hours work done in 4 hours, I would work 12 hours and get 36 hours work worth done in one day. The fuck am I gonna work less? Now, obviously, your time is the most important thing in that. But if I'm having early days and doing a quarter of a day, half a day, I'm not gonna sit at home and do jack shit. Fuck all. If I'm going home early, then I'm working on some big plans to take over the universe. I'm making some videos. I'm building something. I'm not gonna sit at home and play video games, look at dirty websites I'm not supposed to look at and that, smoke something I'm not supposed to smoke and that, yeah, or chat shit with my brethren and that on the phone about some guy that was getting chicks 10 years ago over a rascal a decade ago, yeah, or be joining these dumb little live debates on TikTok. And I'm not doing that foolishness. If you lot have a golden opportunity, you lot need to seize that opportunity. I've done it. Yeah, man, not just talking a lot of hot air and that. At that infamous Holborn job, told you lot already, man was working there from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday, Sunday, even Monday to Friday, man was doing some 10s, some 11 p.m. finishes. Well, one 11 p.m. finish, a few 10 p.m. finishes and that. I saw it as a golden opportunity and I seized it. Crazy, blood. Crazy. If I had the contract, or if I was able to earn £200 from one job or whatever, blood, please believe I would be doing about five. Yeah, if I could do five a day, because it just depends, innit? If I could do five a day, I'll do fucking five a day. Do fucking five a day. Think about it, if you just do that for a few short years, yeah, earning £1,000 a day, blood, you can retire in fucking 5, 6 years. You buy enough properties and that. And instead, a man's 50-year-old man, yeah, in like a one-bed council flat, probably scratching his head, don't understand why he isn't further ahead than he is. Dumb.